Welcome to World of Biology. Today I will teach you about the cell biology. First of all, we have to know what is the study of cell. The study of cell is known as cytology. The study of cell is known as cytology. Then what is the cell? The cell is the basic fundamental unit of life which is responsible for the life processes. Then how the cell is discovered? Robert Hooke discovered the cell in 1665. He observed the bottle cork under compound microscope. Then he observed that the simple small minuscule particles which have no movement, and they have no movement, so he concluded that these are the non-living particles. Then later Anton von Leeuwenhoek observed the same thing under the compound microscope of higher magnification. Then he concluded that the cells have movement, or the cells have movement. They named these particles as animalcules because he concluded that the cells are the living particles. Then in 1883, Robert Brown discovered nucleus. Nucleus, it is the main center of the cell which is responsible for the genetic material, and which is responsible for the genetic material storage of the cell. Then what is the characteristics of cell? The cell is the basic fundamental unit of the organisms, and he provide the support to the cell. Cell contains a fluid like substance inside it which is known as cytoplasm. Inside the cytoplasm there are various type of organelles known as the endoplasmic reticulums, mitochondria, vacuoles, etc. And then mitochondria, it is the double membrane bound organelles which is mainly responsible for the energy transduction inside the cell. The cell also contains the lysosomes which is responsible for the digestion of unwanted materials inside the cells. Also the cell has endoplasmic reticulum which is responsible for the internal organization of the cell and synthesizing the molecules and directing those molecules inside the cell. What is the cell types? The cells are of two types: prokaryotic cells and the eukaryotic cells. The prokaryotic cells have incipient nucleus and they have no membrane bound organelles inside it. The single celled organisms like the archaea, bacteria and cyanobacteria, these are the prokaryotic organisms. Inside the bacteria, the nucleoid is present, which is the main genetic material is freely suspended inside the nucleoid of bacteria, and the cell size varies from 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer of the prokaryotic cells. Then the eukaryotic cells. The eukaryotic cells have membrane bound organelles and it has a membrane. Eukaryotic cells have a membrane called as a plasma membrane, and the cell size varies from 10 to 100 micrometer of the eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells also contains the organelles, that is mitochondria, Golgi bodies, chloroplast, etc. Then the cell theory. It is the main portion of the cell that is known as the cell theory. Cell theory proposed by Matthias Sliden, Theodor Schwann and Rudolf Virchow. They proposed the cell theory, and the cell theory was the cell is the basic structural and functional unit, and the cells arise from pre-existing cells, and the cell is the main unit of life which is mainly responsible for all the life processes. This is the mainly main part of the cell biology. Then thank you, and like and subscribe to our channel.